Hello friends, welcome to your own channel Archie Chaudhary. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing fine and taking good care of yourselves, enjoying your summer days. And also friends, today I'll be showing you some of the stuff which I got from Costco, and it is a Costco haul which I'll be doing because most of the people like my hauls, and also you all like to see what stuff I bring for the house, how healthy things I bring, and I do cook a lot. I don't eat out a lot, as you all know. I buy everything and then do everything in my own kitchen. So let's see what and all I have in the Costco haul today. So here is my haul. As I told you, I would be sharing my shopping haul of Costco and what are the best things I can buy from Costco and come. So these oranges are very tasty and very sweet. So these oranges are a must, whoever loves to eat oranges, and they make a very good juice. With this we can make fresh orange juice. So I bought avocados also from Costco because buying avocados from Costco also saves a lot of money from buying from Walmart or Target or Safeway. These are very big avocados in Costco and they are rightly priced. Almonds are also very good from buying from Costco because it is very cheap again and you get a big pack. This just to buy a small 5 ounce or 4 ounce, it costs like $7 or $8, and this you get it for a very good price again. So I like this almonds and they are very fresh. Buying Cheerios and cereals from Costco is always good because they come in 2 boxes, but I have already used 1 box because children wanted breakfast in the morning, so 1 box is already used. I always buy this mango for making milkshakes and all, and mango shakes, they come out very good and it's very tasty again. I keep sometimes ready to eat foods and all because sometimes if I have to go to work or if I don't have time to cook, so these are very good. You can just eat it with tortillas, naans, parathas and rice and rolls. They make a very good substitute when you don't have nothing at home to eat anything with, and it can go well with soup also. So here I bought pasta and these are 6 packs. They last me for at least 1 or 2 months, so it's very efficient to buy big packs and it is again good saving tip. These are nice spaghetti pasta and long noodles, so these are again very good, and kiddos love this more than Maggi noodles and all because they have a good chunky flavor in it and they are quite thick noodles. And I like this Kirkland organic coconut water. Actually, it's not from the concentrate, that's what it says, and I have tried it. All of us in this house love this coconut water, but buying coconut water from India, it is so different, but this is somewhat similar and I like its taste. Of course, there's a little sugar which says it is having sugar level, but it's okay. It's still, if 2 people drink from 1 can, it is worth it. This is Royal Sona Masuri rice. This rice is very light to eat and it's more healthy and nutritious than the basmati rice. So I prefer this rice also. One day when I make, I'll show you how to cook, and it's very light food. I bought this coconut water, but I have not tried this personally. This is a new product. It looks like in 20 years I saw this for the first time. So I've never tried it. So let's see how this will come out. I'll tell you the review later, but this is one more thing which I wanted to try, and here it is. So this sugar is a very good sugar actually. It is just like the sugar which we get in India. It is granules. It's not powdered and fine granulated. This is really very good granulated, and it reminds me of India's sugar, which I love it. So I buy Cara Cara oranges only to make fresh juice, and everybody in my family loves to drink this juice. So now I'm going to make 2 popsicles. I'll just freeze it for some hours and the kiddos can have some popsicles. Here's the fresh orange juice. Love it. Very yummy, very fresh. Yum, yum, yum. Here I made orange popsicle kind of thing, but it is already not thawed. So once it gets thawed, it's become like a nice ice cream. Just see the frozen, just see the freeze. So it's come out so well. This is like popsicles. You can put them in the ice cream molds and eat. So yum. See, it's not getting through. I'll just melt for a second. So here it became like a nice shape of the container. This is how the popsicle looks, which I made just to show you. And here it is, yum yum yum, orange popsicle, no sugar added, so yum. So here is the real cocoa which we had taken out from the box, which I had bought from Costco. So we'll just pour and I'll give you a review. And it says that it has only 7 grams of sugar. Not bad actually. So if 3-4 people have to share this, it's a good idea. So looks clean and clear actually while pouring. Looks good. Not bad actually. It is very nice, so I liked it. Over here I'm taking heavy whipping cream. I poured it in this container and I'm taking two slices of bread. So here I'm just toasting the bread and putting heavy whipped cream on the slice of the bread. Now I'll add some sugar. I'm adding some sugar and it depends on how much sugar you want. This bread will taste so good. So here's a nice bite. Enjoy the first bite and you'll find it so yum and tasty. I'll eat now. First you guys have and then I'll eat. So good, out of the world. So it is May 22nd and it's still raining and the weather is so cold. Still there is rain, but it's nice to have rains over the snow anytime. So today I just bought some Ferrero Rocher for the kiddos and children love the Ferrero Rocher so much and they just didn't allow me to take a good video of this Ferrero Rocher and they already started eating. They ate one, then they wanted to eat two. And this is how it is. So I hope you all liked my haul of this Costco and you all liked the stuff which I bought. So this is the things which I get mostly on a monthly basis or 15 days once, so bi-weekly. So this is what I get and I segregate my food and fruits together. So in the day I always like to eat 1 or 2 fruits with my regular food, whatever I cook and eat. So what and all you guys like to do in summer? What are your plans? Do you guys have any good plans for summer? Let me know. And if there is anything good in Denver to do, if you have any plans and if you are staying in Parker and would like to hang out or meet up, I'm always open to it. So if you want to take some small trips, I can always join you all. So let's see if good things come up as the mask mandate is gone and we can always have fun in the summer. And only 2 or 3 months of summer, I feel that we should have a good time and make good memories. So if you have anything, just let me know. And if you have liked my content today, like, share, comment and subscribe. And don't forget to not follow me on Instagram, TikTok and Facebook. If you have any comments, please do comment and I'll try to answer those questions. Okay friends, for now it is it and I'll meet you all in the next video. Bye for now. Love you all.